Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series for job role of hand embroider class 9th. In this video, we will learn herringbone stitch. Herringbone stitch is basically a variation of cross stitch. In this stitch, the crosses are made at the top and bottom of the lines instead of the center. Variation of herringbone are also created by increasing and decreasing the intricacy between two stitches. We try to select a design having two lines which will help us to create a proportionate series of herringbone stitch. Mostly the stitch is used for filling leaves, flower motifs. Most favorable fabric for stitch is meti, casement, cotton, jute, khadi and others. It is also popularly used in nursery print, natural motifs, geometrical motifs and others. Before starting this embroidery, let us check all the tools and materials required, that is embroidery frame, hoop, fabric, the fabric is to be clean, starch free and ironed, carbon paper, embroidery threads, tracing paper, needles, scissors, thimble, pen, pencil. Preparation before embroidery. The first step is you have to take a fabric neat, clean, starch free and ironed. You have to trace the design on the fabric. Place the fabric, take a carbon paper, take the design. You have to start tracing the design on the fabric. The fabric edges, the design edges are supposed to be extremely clean, so we need a perfect stitch. The design motif is ready. Now fix the traced fabric on the embroidery frame. Open the screw of the frame. Tighten the fabric on the frame by tightening the screw. Now take the thread and the needle. Start the embroidery. Pull it up at the one end from line 1, from the upper line, keeping the thread on the right hand side. Take a small fabric, give it a diagonal shape. Then again take the thread to the upper side, keep the thread on the right side, small fabric on the needle on the top layer of the fabric. While doing herringbone stitch, we should make sure that the needle should go from right to left, taking a small fabric, keeping the thread on the right side, right to left. As we all know, herringbone stitch is a variation of a cross stitch. So, we always get a cross on the top and on the bottom, not on the center. We need to come from upper line to the lower line, going from right to left, taking a small piece of fabric. Here comes the cross. Again, going on the upper line, taking a small piece of fabric, keeping the thread on the right side, diagonal and cross. Again, this continues and gives us a herringbone stitch. There are variations of herringbone stitch when the density of herringbone and the cross is increased or decreased. Now we are completing our motif and giving it a lock at the back Make a loop, taking some fabric, roll the thread, lock the stitch. Cut the thread in. Do the finishing by cutting the extra threads. And the motif is complete. Now the design and motif is ready. As we can see, the herringbone stitch has a neat and clean at the back side of the fabric. Now let us summarize or wrap up the embroidery steps quickly. Place the fabric on a neat and clean surface and trace the outline of the design. Fix the fabric on the embroidery frame. Start doing the embroidery. Herringbone stitch work from top to bottom in a diagonal way. Now do the finishing of the embroidery. So thank you viewers. Learn by doing and give your best. That's all for the video. In the next video, we will learn French knot stitch. Till then, enjoy watching and keep learning.